Greetings everyone. We hope that you all have been doing extremely well and healthy. So, before wasting any further time, let's get this started. Being a passionate science aficionado, I love to dig deep into problems and solve them with the best use of technology. I have been studying and implying novel concepts towards the designing and engineering as a manufacturing engineer at Team Aquila. Serving as the team manager, I personally feel it's my moral and utmost responsibility to take this team ahead together with a vision that we all are aligned with a vision that motivates us to learn every day.
Resources are of great significance for the team as it boosts up the productivity. I'm the resource and the sponsorship manager for Team Aquila.
Having a strong technical background and being efficient in CAD and CAM, my role in Team Aquila is of an design engineer.
A technical geek and an experimental guy who loves to flow his creativity and use technology to bring it to life. I am the graphic designer of Team Aquila. Aquila was named after the most aerodynamic genus of the world, the eagle, which also is a constellation which consists of 10 stars, which connects us all of us 5 members who are engaged in 2 or more of the activities in the competition.
So, what makes us different? It's definitely self-reliance, as we manufactured our whole car in-house. Aquila is a gem of a team, a symphony of diverse minds. Everyone's contribution is equally valued and honored. We compete as one, we race as one.
The other thing that sets us apart is that we don't compete with others, but rather set our own benchmarks and compete within ourselves to overcome them, thus pushing us forward every time.
Adding to what Rigved said, we always aim to promote Formula One in schools to the community, from organizing sessions to live races, sharing other team experiences to the world through a series of podcasts, The Aquila View. A prime example of which will be seen in the upcoming season of the Formula One in schools as a Team Aquila legacy.
From being creating a history for Central India as the first and only team to even participate in the competition, to sticking to our core beliefs of promoting sustainability efficiently for a better yet very futuristic tomorrow.